By 2030, artificial intelligence is going to have a more significant impact on our everyday lives, and it could contribute up to $15.7 trillion to the global economy by that time. There are 10 major AI trends that will likely exist in 2030. Number 1. AI will reach human-level intelligence. According to technologist and futurist Ray Kurzweil, artificial intelligence will reach human-level performance by the year 2030. This will be determined when AI is able to successfully pass a valid Turing test. However, a private corporation would probably own the algorithm behind this AI, and this algorithm wouldn't be shared with the public for quite a while. Number 2. Jarvis-like AI assistants will become commonplace. Most people in developed countries could have AI assistants to improve the quality of their lives. According to Peter Diamandis, founder of Singular University and other companies, services like Alexa, Google Home, and Apple HomePod will expand in functionality. They will eventually travel beyond the home and become a cognitive prosthetic 24/7. Depending on what permissions you grant to it, a secure Jarvis-like software could listen to all of your conversations, read your emails, monitor your blood chemistry, and so forth. With access to all of this data, this AI-enabled software will learn your preferences, anticipate your needs and behaviors, shop for you, monitor your health, and help you problem solve in support of your mid and long-term goals. They may also exist in the form of operating systems that can connect with multiple devices, similar to what is portrayed in the movie Her. By the mid-2030s, some early adopters might even begin using brain-computer interfaces to connect to their neocortexes, according to Ray Kurzweil. This will enable us to interact with AI assistants with our brain activity and bring this concept to an entirely new level. Number 3. AI-human collaboration will skyrocket across all professions. By 2030, AI will become a critical part of our day-to-day operations, supporting employees' creative activities, generating new ideas, and tackling previously unattainable innovations. In some places, partnering with AI will even become required. For example, there are already excellent AI tools used for creative professions. Viscomp creates rendered versions of sketches you provide to it. Artbreeder creates AI-generated images that are children of the images you provide to it. WordTune rearranges and optimizes sentences that you provide to it. And Descript is able to mimic your voice using text you provide to it after you feed it enough voice data. Number 4. Most devices will be embedded with intelligence. According to Peter Diamandis, the price of specialized machine learning chips is dropping rapidly with the rise in global demand. Specialized AI chips could reach as low as $5, which would enable affordable AI for toys, appliances, drones, video game controllers, and more. This will be further made possible with the explosion of low-cost microscopic sensors and the deployment of high-bandwidth networks. Also, Gartner projects that specialized chip sales for AI will grow from 8 billion in 2019 to 34 billion by 2023. By 2030, children's toys could remember faces and names using facial and speech recognition, and appliances could respond to voice commands using voice recognition and anticipate your needs using predictive algorithms. Number 5. Autonomous automobiles might drive better than humans. Because of advances in AI, including Tesla's newly introduced Dojo supercomputer, fully autonomous vehicles could be fully operational in at least some geographic areas in the next decade, although some experts believe that could take decades. Either way, they could lead to a gradual decrease in overall transportation costs in affected geographic areas and a gradual disruption of industries such as urban planning, delivery services, trucking, and more. Number 6. Deepfakes could become problematic in society. Microsoft and Facebook have already developed tools to detect deepfakes and their origins, but the damage they could still cause should probably be taken seriously. Fake video and audio clips could be published with the sole intention of exploiting people's biases, fears, and suspicions, and convincing some people that a video or audio clip is actually fake could prove much tougher than many people currently expect. Number 7. AI will improve the quality of medical treatments. AI is currently used to understand how a person's genetics, environment, and lifestyle can help determine the best approach to prevent or treat certain diseases. Digital therapeutics, custom-designed drugs, and improved diagnosis are already making treatments more accurate, affordable, and accessible. Artificial intelligence is likely to be adopted as an aid rather than a replacement for human physicians. In addition to enhancing physicians' diagnosis, it will also continuously learn and improve as it's used in a variety of medical situations. The continuous interaction between human physicians and AI-powered diagnostics will help enhance the accuracy of these systems, and over time, will give humans enough confidence to let the AI systems operate autonomously. All of this will help humans live longer and healthier lives. Number 8. Household robots could begin to be adopted on a limited basis. According to a report by Stanford, domestic robots could hit the market by 2030, probably at prices so high that only the most wealthy could purchase them. Companies like Samsung and Toyota Research Institute have already built prototypes that can perform a variety of activities like folding laundry, cleaning dishes, and setting up dinner tables. And Tesla is set to release their own prototype early this decade. Much like Tesla cars, the AI for household robots could be continually updated from the cloud as the AI in each robot manufacturer's data center is exposed to bigger and more diverse data sets. Number 9. AI could cause massive job losses. Udacity CEO Gabe Del Porto told Time that 1 billion people will lose their jobs as a result of AI by 2030, and that lockdowns in 2019 only accelerated this trend. These widespread job losses could even overshadow the transition from agricultural labor during the 1900s in the United States and Europe. Job functions such as automobile or truck driving, equipment operation, and law will become increasingly automated. Therefore, many of these jobs will be rendered obsolete. These workers will need to retrain for new careers in order to survive. Governments will have to proactively create new laws and programs to protect and re-educate this displaced workforce. To make things even worse, this trend could increase inequality in societies and place more power in the hands of a few. You could see a devastating divide between the people who work for algorithms and the people who design and own the algorithms. However, one bright side is the jobs that rely on emotional intelligence, like sales, leadership, and management, are likely safe in the next decade. Number 10. China may benefit the most from artificial intelligence. China may already be spending more on R&D than the United States when it comes to artificial intelligence. According to PwC, the greatest economic gains from AI will be in China and North America. The economic gains from these two countries would be equivalent to a total of 10.7 trillion and would account for almost 70% of the global economic impact. Additionally, China's huge population is helping the nation make great strides in facial recognition technology, although many people have concerns with intrusions on privacy. Thanks for watching. To learn more about artificial intelligence, make sure to watch the video to the right.